Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Creati AI photo generator app. So first thing first, simply install this Creati application. Once done, launch it, and you will see a page like this. Now, it'll show you various options, but you have to tap on Start from Photo button. As it is so, you may go ahead, click a picture, or you can also add an existing one. For that, tap on From Photo. As it is so, you'll see various effects at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and change his outfit. For that, tap on AI outfit. Once you tap onto it, it'll load various outfit. Let's give him this style. So tap onto one of them, tap generate. You have to wait for a couple seconds. And now once it's done, you'll see that this guy's suit has changed from a normal formal suit to this captain one. And just like so guys, if you would like to save it, tap on save button here, and then tap on download. Also be noted this application is not free, so if you would like to download it, you will have to download it with watermark. If you'd like to download without the watermark, you'll have to purchase some subscriptions. And just like so guys, that way you can also use various other features that's mentioned here. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.